Hello Kickstarter, I'm Cody Candler, and this is the EdBoard, a simple and intuitive circuit building platform for kids. Our easy-to-use, magnetic, electronic components and engaging story-based curriculum make learning about electronics fun and accessible. It's screenless, hands-on, and easily adaptable, making it the perfect addition to any learning environment.
Electronics are the foundation of the technological world that we live in today. From the simplest circuits to the most complex computers, our day-to-day lives are impacted immeasurably by electronic devices. Behind every piece of tech, there's a circuit, and behind every circuit, there are electrical engineers. It is vitally important for children today to learn how to think like electrical engineers so that they understand the world of technology around them. But where do they start? Understanding circuitry, even at a basic level, is intellectually challenging and involves abstract subject matter. Electronics equipment is unintuitive for beginners and requires advanced hand-eye coordination, which puts limitations on young learners. That's why we created the EdBoard, a revolutionary new circuit building kit for kids. Inspired by traditional circuitry prototyping tools, our simple circuit building platform and magnetic electronic components make circuitry easier than ever before. Story-based lessons with integrated circuit diagrams make the learning process fun and engaging. Kids will work through projects with parents, educators, or each other, building and modifying circuits to learn how they work. Create thunder and lightning on a tropical island. Solve a paranormal mystery in a haunted hotel. Build 3D circuit structures for the city of Sparkdale. Turn your EdBoard prototypes into crafty cardboard devices. Or design and build your own inventions from scratch.
We get it, STEM education can be intimidating for children as well as parents and teachers, and electrical engineering is particularly challenging. The truth is, self-doubt pushes more kids out of STEM than any other factor. That's why it's so important to introduce challenging concepts in just the right way. We make circuitry accessible and fun so that any child can become a young inventor. From the EdBoard team to you, thanks for watching.
EdBoard, empowering young electrical engineers with creative confidence.